Today I'll show you how to use the 3 different types of hyphens that are found in Microsoft Word. The normal hyphen is the one that you see when you just type the hyphen key. So for example, eco-friendly. Sometimes you want a hyphen that will always keep words together. A good example is a phone number. So here's a phone number. I'll delete the regular hyphen and I'll hold down the Shift key, Control key, and then tap the hyphen key, and I put in what's called a hard hyphen. So no matter how I edit this document, that phone number will always stay together. Sometimes you have words that should be hyphenated if they appear at the end of a line, but not if they're in the middle of a paragraph. So that's a time when you can use what's called a soft hyphen. So I'll put a soft hyphen in the word collaboration. So you move where you want the hyphen to appear and you hold down the Control key and tap the hyphen key. Now, if the word is in the middle of a paragraph and doesn't need to be hyphenated, you don't see it. But watch as I add some more text. Notice how the hyphen shows. If I remove the text, then it goes away.